Hello, I'm Regina, Career Guide Expert. Welcome to Techwell, a training and placement platform built with one clear mission: to turn your learning into a career. For more than 10 years, Techwell has been working in the education and career space, and in this journey, we have successfully placed over 10,000 students into top MNCs and growing companies. That's not just a number. That's 10,000 careers, 10,000 success stories, and 10,000 families whose future changed because of the right skills and the right guidance. Today, the job market doesn't reward just degrees. It rewards skills, confidence, and real-world readiness. And that's exactly what Techwell is built for. At Techwell, your entire career journey happens in one place. You start by enrolling in industry-ready courses designed around what companies actually need. Not outdated theory, but practical, job-focused skills. You learn from expert instructors who bring real industry experience into the classroom. You test your skills with real assessments, so you always know where you stand and what you need to improve. When you're ready, you get certified, with credentials that add real value to your profile. But we don't stop at certificates. We help you prepare with AI-powered mock interviews, so you can practice, improve your communication, sharpen your technical answers, and build real interview confidence before you face a real recruiter. Then, you can apply to real jobs directly from the platform. Your skills, scores, and certifications are already mapped to what employers are looking for. And finally, you get hired. This is not just an LMS. This is not just a job portal. This is a complete career-building platform. Our approach is simple and powerful. Learn, certify, prepare, get placed. Whether you are a fresher, a career switcher, or someone looking to upgrade your skills, Techwell is designed to support you at every step, from your first lesson to your final job offer. With 10+ years of market experience, strong industry connections, and a proven placement record, Techwell stands for trust, results, and real outcomes. Your career deserves more than random courses and guesswork. It deserves a clear path, the right training, and the right opportunities. Start your career journey with us today. Visit us at techwell.co.in. Techwell, all-in-one platform for your career.